What is up? This is so weird. Today I'm going to be introducing you to my car that hopefully I'm selling soon. I don't know if we're going to DoorDash or if we're going to some dealerships to get appraisals in person, because I've been applying to all the instant cash offer things online. So I don't know what I'm about to do, but I guess you guys will see it because you're about to watch it next anyways. So I haven't seen you guys in so long. If you guys are watching this, you guys are pretty cool. This is so weird. Why do I look like this? Here it is. 3, 2, 1. It's so dirty right now. I'm going back to stock on this Thursday, so I'm trying to sell this. So I want to go get offers for it and see what I can get. I want 25. Everyone's giving me 24-ish. So I'm gonna go in person right now and see what I can get. Quick cold start. Interior, it has the buckets, light up logos, fake carbon I ordered off Amazon, but it does have the buckets, a launcher end, steering wheel. All right guys, let's go see what we can get. Much better. All right, we're leaving. So I'm at a Honda dealership and they just gave me 24. I just called Mercedes before that and they were saying they could do like 24-ish. They're at like 24.5. So Mercedes is sounding like they're gonna be the ones, but they can't give me a real strong offer until I'm ready to sell the car that day. I'm waiting till I hear about a job, and if I get it, I'm selling it and buying an M340 immediately. So I'm literally waiting to hear back from this job, and as soon as I do, I'm going to Mercedes and selling my car and buying another one. Okay? Okay. All right guys, we got the Dr. Pepper Zero. Let me taste it for you. That's fire. 99 cents. Circle K, guys. Oh my gosh, why is it not zoomed? All right guys, I just got home. I spent the night yesterday I went to Honda. They gave me like 24 something for the car. I haven't heard anything back from the job yet. As soon as I do though, I'm selling my car and going to buy a B58 the same day. And I already have a whole document of mods to get, so we're gonna have some good videos to put out. But until then, it's just a waiting game. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know what's happened. It is currently Wednesday, February, almost March. We're going to get tatted. We're going to get tatted, guys. All right, we're going to get tatted. All right, I'm going to get tatted. I'm getting like the whole rest of my arm, like all this and my tricep, if you can see, like right there. I'm getting all of that filled in, so it's gonna be quite the session, more than I've ever done. And if you guys saw my last tattoo video, you'll know that I passed out. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen again. I have been to a tattoo since and it didn't happen, so I might be better at it now. I don't know. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna take you guys along what I do while I'm going to my tattoo appointment, and what I do, what I get, what I eat, what I drink. I'm gonna put you guys on and show you guys what I do. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna get on the road. Peace. What's good, YouTube? We just got to the spot. We stopped at QT on the way. We got Gatorade Zero, we got some fruit, and we got the biggest thing of water I've ever seen in my life. So sorry about the background noise. That's actually, I'm on the phone with my friend Mason here. We're at the spot now. I told him I'm here, and now the countdown starts now from when he's gonna come actually get me. So who knows when that'll be, but I'll see you guys in a little bit whenever I destroy this tattoo, because I'm stronger than it. All right guys, I'm there. I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm tatted. It's in there. See you guys in a couple hours, and I'm gonna look way different. Alright guys, big news. While I was getting tatted, I got the offer of employment. M340i coming this weekend, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. I'm selling my car on Friday after I go stock. Hopefully I get 25, but I got the offer of employment, guaranteed, or almost guaranteed for that. Got my tattoo, guys. Look, I got all this all this done, and like I said back here, oh god, this camera is heavy. I have Mercedes wanting it, and I also have like Drivo wanting it, which is, they're kind of near each other. The car that I'm gonna buy, he just answered. He's like 3 hours away in Houston. All right guys, it's official, my car is stock. She's stock exhaust. Here's my tat, see if you can see it. It's like an angel girl, and then a bird, and then that balance thing, and then that little hourglass thing with this like smoke stuff, and some Chinese back there. I just got back from the shop. It was about $300 to get back to stock, which is cheap because the downpipe is pretty hard to do. These are my stock tips, pretty hideous. Car is like nearly silent now. I have my exhaust that I took off. The catback is gonna be in here actually. So I have a buyer for that, and I'm selling that tomorrow. So now we're just waiting for the 100% that I got the job, and I'm gonna go sell that car. And then we're buying the B58. I'll see you guys another day. I don't even know what the last clip is, but today is March 21st, I believe. Yeah, it is March 21st, 6:09 p.m. right now. I don't know what the last thing I've told you guys is, but we're getting the car tomorrow, okay? We're getting the B58 tomorrow. The seller's bank opens at 9 a.m., so we're gonna be leaving at about 6 a.m. because it's a 3-hour drive. We got a 3-hour drive in the morning coming up. He has to handle the checks at the bank. We're just gonna get there like right around when the bank opens, and then we'll be good to go. As soon as I get back tomorrow, we're gonna start modding it. I might throw some of the small mods in this video and then make separate videos for the bigger mods. Tint is coming on Monday. Today is Friday. I'm getting the car tomorrow, Saturday morning. Tint is coming on Monday. Exhaust and downpipe. Full Valvetronic catback. I'll show you guys what it looks like stock when I get it. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. This is the day before. I've been waiting for so long. We finally got the loan finalized. I got 3 different checks overnighted, sent yesterday, got them today. Got back from work a couple hours ago, and now I got one more sleep until I'm going to pick up the car. I don't even know if I'm gonna bring my camera with me. I probably will though. I just cannot wait, guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see it and to start making content with it. I'm gonna try to upload every week. Now that I've updated you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Peace. I can't wait. Hey guys, it's 6 a.m. We're going to pick up the car right now. I'm not gonna bring you guys, so I'll just show you guys when I get back. So, oh my gosh. I'll see you guys in a couple hours when I'm back with the car. I love you guys. I can't wait. What's up, guys? Introducing the all-new Woo! 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 Oh. There's a bee. 3-hour drive home, we're back. All these boxes are mods that I've had waiting. So now it's time to get to work. Changed the look already. Tint is coming in a couple days, 2 days actually. We got the stock grill off, getting rid of that ugly gray and going in with the new one, guys, as you can see right here. All gloss black. Look how much better it looks already. There is a camera hole. I don't have a camera. There we go. We'll be back in a minute. Got the new grill in.
Got the new grill in.
Did it all by myself. On to the next. Okay guys, these front pieces don't want to come out. They're supposed to be just little tabs like that. But they ain't coming out. So we're never getting this done. Okay guys, I don't know what I showed you guys last, but this is what we've done. Front grille, those things. Here's how the front end's looking. It's looking already meaner. We did the mirror caps as well. Those look good with the little wing on them. I did this right here. Oh, that looks good. That looks so much better. And then I blacked out these. Oh, looks like we're getting air bubbles already. I smoked those. These up. Is that a dent? Or is that a dent or a body line? Hold on. Okay, good. That's a body line. Dude, why does it keep unlocking and locking, bro? And then I smoked these as well. They're orange. Smoked those out. After I get tint, it's gonna look way different, so much better. I'm getting 35 on the windshield. I'm gonna get 15 on the fronts, and then I'm getting 5 on the backs. Those two and the rear. So Monday, we're gonna look right. And later this week, either Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, I'm getting high flow downpipes and full catback Valvetronic exhaust. After that, we're gonna be sitting pretty good. Within the first week of ownership, gonna be way different already. Let me get you guys a start. So 1, 2, 3. So that's completely stock exhaust. We have a rear diffuser right here, and the front lip I actually tried to put on. It's pretty aggressive, but I need ramps or a lift because I need to be able to have room to drill up into it. So unfortunately I couldn't get that done. That's where we're at. I'm hyped. I can't wait to actually drive it and to get this exhaust on. I cannot wait. So I hope you guys liked the video. This is probably gonna be the end of this video. So drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Drop a comment what you guys wanna see for the M340. I'm hyped to be able to have this car and just post content on it. Follow my TikTok. I'm gonna link it in the description below. I post at least once daily on the TikTok. It's a car channel, so go follow that. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Look at it one last time. And yeah. All right, this car's gonna look way different after 10. I cannot wait to show you guys. So see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's go.